Torun is one of the leading companies in hot forging and machine brass industry. Torun exports almost all of products to Europe and the United States of America. Torun was established in 2000 and it is in Gebze Organized Industrial Zone since 2007. The new facility has 33,000 square meter area and 9,000 square meter closed area. With our specialized staff, Torun produces OEM brass parts for sanitary, flow control, security, automotive, cooling and heating industries, among others. Our aim is to increase value of products by providing highest quality competitively with a tailor-made service from design phase to logistical solutions. Torun offers sustainable and high-value products with experienced employees and competent team for business partners. In order to reduce total cost and increase efficiency, we add our experience and engineering skills to technical designs. This is one of the most important objectives. All technical desks gather in workshops in order to make thorough analysis of each part. They work in harmony to sort out any interdisciplinary issues in advance. This is the basis of sustainability. Torun produces forging dies in its own facility that has latest technology machines which process hardened steel at high speeds. We use CNC machining centers and wire cutting machines as well as other complementary machinery. Design of the tool is accomplished in CAD system and automatically converted to CAM program, which is then fed into the CNC machining centers via network. All maintenance and sparing for forging dies is carried out in Torun for a non-interrupted production. Thanks to cutting tools that are produced in-house with state-of-the-art technology CNC machines, production occurs at scheduled time and trouble-free. Tight tolerances of the products are secured here, with even tighter tolerances of cutting tools through sophisticated technology used. In the press shop, there is a wide range of robotic automated line presses with different tonnages in order to sustain cost optimization for various parts with different weights and shapes. With temperature-controlled induction furnaces, parts are homogeneously heated and the forged parts are guaranteed to have sustained quality throughout stabilized forging process. Through our customer-oriented service approach, the facility has CNC transfers, CNC machining centers, CNC lathes for different jobs according to the customer needs. By force of our latest generation machine park, the most appropriate production method can be selected. The goods are delivered to warehouses, with options provided to keep stocks at close destinations to minimize delivery times. Our planning department handles all orders. Our partners receive periodical information on status of orders, and arrangements of shipments are done with minimum shipping costs. We know that quality is not only a controlling process, but also a value produced. According to our works and ISO directives, we adopt continuous improvement through Kaizen studies in all processes. Thanks to sophisticated and rich variety of measurement devices, measurement reports and records are stored electronically, ensuring full traceability. Is monitored at all times, not only by assigned inspectors, but also all units involved throughout the whole production. To this end, we have quality stations all around production area in every corner. Torun improves with knowledge and experience each day by investing in people and technology. Under this flag, By using experience and technology in highest level, we continue to work for targeting beyond requirements. We thank all our business partners and employees that have been part of this.